Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use filters in your Zoho Sheet. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so in order to use filters, what we need to do is click onto what you want to filter. So for me, I'm going to do category. Now on the top right, we want to click onto that filter button. Now you can see our information in our sheet has changed slightly, or automatically add filters to your sheet. So if I go ahead and click on the little drop down menu next to category, we've got food, transport, utilities, so we can filter like that. So if I want to filter out only for food, I can like so. Or if I want to go ahead and do food and transport, click filter. Now, for example, I want to keep all of them selected and say with amount, I can filter by different amounts. So if I want to do 24.5, it's going to filter out that. Also payment by card. So yeah, that's how to add automatic filters to your sheet. Now we can add custom filters here. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and select card and amount. I'm just going to change this to all again. Now if I want to add a custom filter to here, I'm going to click on the little drop down and then click on custom filter. And now we can add custom filters. So it equals, does not equal, greater than. So say greater than 10. And then click on filter. So now if I click on that little drop down, I've got an option here, greater than 10, click filter, and it's going to show us all the amounts that are greater to 10.